Hi, this is Janusz speaking. Here I wanted to present to you the solution how we can record all the trials, the login trials to the system, the successful one and the unsuccessful one. I mean, if someone is trying to enter our system with wrong username or wrong password. Okay, so how we can do that? Just one second. Yes. So in a new builder, we are having two procedures which we can use for that. One is nu startup, and the second one is nu invalid login. So the names are predefined. You can define the content as you want. So we will create these two procedures in this database, and we'll present later some trials, some results, how it works. So first we need to create the first procedure, nu startup. So maybe I will copy first this data to the notepad. Okay. Now let's go to the builders procedure, add, and let's start with the first one. So the first one will be nu startup. Yes. Okay. 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 Run hidden. And the content of the procedure is following. So what we will do? First, we will get the client IP address. Next, we will call the procedure, which will be defined later on directly in MariaDB, and simply we'll execute this query. Okay, let's save the first one, and now we need the second procedure. The second procedure is called nu invalid login. Okay, here description. Okay. Okay. Hidden, and now copy the content of the procedure. Okay, and save. So what we will do here? So we will first get the IP address. We will get the username of the username which was used during this unsuccessful login. Later we will call the procedure from MariaDB, and that's all in fact inside the new nuBuilder. Okay, now let's open the phpMyAdmin. We will create remaining parts in our database. So I will go back to my notes. Okay. So first we need to create a table which will store all this data. So this data are not stored just per session, but we can keep the whole history over the whole lifetime of the database. So I will just copy paste the code. And just one second, yes. And we will create table, which in my case is called ZXIPS, yeah, where there are several columns. The first one, the primary key, is just the IP number. OK quantity, this is how many good logins. Bad quantity, how many bad logins. When the first login was done, when was the last login, when was the last bad. And in case of bad logins, I will store, let's say, the most recent usernames used which were used used for the trials to enter my database. Okay, so let's create this. Okay, and here you can see the table is created. Next, what we need to create some procedures which will process our data and will store the result to the table which was just created before. So I will just copy paste this. Okay, let's maybe start and yes, the first procedure is created here. Okay, I need to use here UTF-8. Okay, so in case there is something already in the table, so I will just update the record and will just place one more. So every new login, I am increasing the number of logins. Yes, okay. In case there is nothing with this IP, I will just insert the new record. It will be maybe easier to understand later when we'll have some data, but for the moment it's more technical, let's say, part how to use this code, how to place it in the MariaDB. And we need as well to use to create the second procedure in case of bad login. Yes, so as well I am copy paste SQL. Okay, and go. Okay, let's check. Yes, so we are having this IP bad and okay, and we are having for the moment this table which is empty. Yes, I will try now log out from my system and we'll try to log in with bad username, so globadmin8. Yes, so let's try login, invalid login. So let's go directly to PHP my admin, and you can see, yes, so from this IP number there was trial, the first one, and the username was globadmin8. Yes, so let's make another trial. Let's make test, whatever. Yeah, try to log in, and you can see. Let's try to refresh. You can see another one, and as well we are having second bet. Yes. So now let's go for the globadmin, the right login. We are trying to log in. Yes, we are in, and just look in the table. We are having one okay, two bad, and I am having as well when there was the last bad trial for my system. So now I will try to log from different computer or mobile phone. So let me try to use another IP. Okay, login. Just 1 second. Yes, I am already in. I will refresh. And you can see as another IP. This time it was a proper login, created this time, updated at this time. There was no bad login, so this part is not filled. So this table I can display already as well in my database. And just 1 second, it should be here. IP login history, and you can see IP number. It was from my main computer. Yes, so it was okay. Logins was once, not okay was twice. First login date was there. Probably the field is too short here, so it's not fully displayed. So let's maybe try to extend it. Just 1 second. First login, let's try to put maybe 140 and save back. Yeah, you see, so you have all the data with date, hour, minute, seconds, and you can as well extend these fields to have all data here. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention, and this was just an example. Probably you might have different one, better one, but this is what I use, and it's working quite well so far. Thank you very much.